back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how I painted this acrylic abstract. This is my first big acrylic abstract that I've done. I normally work in oils and I normally do landscapes, impressions and abstracts in oils, but today I'm going to show you how I did this using acrylic paints and masking tape. It's really quite simple. It's a little bit restrictive, it's not free-flowing art, but it's a really good fun thing to do. So if you haven't had a go at something like this and you're interested, hang along and watch what I do, and let's hope that you learn something from it and that we learn together. Really, I'm going to be doing more videos of my art. I've done a lot of art in the past, but I haven't filmed it, so I'm going to try and build this channel. So if you like what you see today, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and any comments are really very welcome. So hope to see you soon. I'll now show you the video on how I painted this. Thank you, see you again soon. Welcome. As you have seen, this painting is almost finished, and I thought it was finished, but to be honest with you, I think it's too dull. I like the layers, but it's not vibrant enough, and I really love vibrant colours. So I'm going to go back on it and change some of the blue blocks that I've got and lift them basically, and try and just get more excitement to this project of mine.